Due to current COVID situation, as we all know, FIFA 2020 is postponed to 2021, which is really sad. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and sometimes cartoon. And you're most welcome in this brand new episode of DIY in which I have shared how to make a replica of FIFA World Cup trophy. Sound interesting now? So why don't you just go and watch this video? So I just hope you like this video. I'm soon going to make this replica of FIFA trophy at your home. I'm going to share your pictures of your work with me in the comment section below, and tell us about your experience also in the comment section below. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, we'll see you until next time. Bye bye, tata, see you.